Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to go live on TikTok using your PC. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, the first thing that you need to know is that make sure that you have at least 1,000 followers and be 18 plus to go live. Also, you have that option to request the live feature if you don't have 1,000 followers. I'm just going to be showing you that right now. Okay, so open up your favorite browser and just type down TikTok Studio. Okay, I gotta click on TikTok Studio right here. As you can see, I've tried the live feature 2 days ago, and this is what I have. Okay, I've got 33 likes and 1.5k views. So that's the first one. Now, yours might be different. You might be able to see a request button right here. So just go ahead and click on that option. If not, go ahead and type down TikTok Studio download. Okay, download Live Studio right here. This one. And just click on download for Windows right here. If you have a Mac, well, download for Mac. Click on download, save it wherever you want, save, wait for the download process to finish, and just click on it to begin the installation process, okay? I am not going to do it again because I already have it. Just click on install now right here, follow simple prompts, okay? And once done, once you click on open, okay, it will ask you to get permissions to go live. But if not, well, you're good to go. Just open up TikTok Live Studio, and it will ask you to log in. So just go ahead and log in. And once logged in, there will be some simple prompts to set up your computer. You'll be able to select your microphone, your headphones, and then your camera. And then once done, just click on go live right here. There you go. And you'll be able to see a game capture right here if you're trying to capture a game. Okay. You can select from portrait to landscape or both. Okay. Now, to know if you're eligible or you now have the access to go live, just go ahead over to tiktok.com and you should be able to receive a notification that the live feature, okay, is now available. So what you're going to do is just go ahead over to activity. Now click on system notification, and here you should be able to see live, okay, like this one. You're invited to a new feature, okay, this one. Okay, that's basically it. Once you have the feature, well, just go out and go live right here and enjoy streaming. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.